to Adam and Andrew's science lab. And now I'm just going to tell you what we're going to do today.
So, we're going to teach you how to do Elephant Toothpaste Experiment. It's going to be fun!
Yay! What we're going to need for today's experiment is plastic bottles and glass bottles, dish soap, measuring cups, stir sticks, funnels, yeast, and food dye, gloves, and hydrogen peroxide. And these safety goggles.
Yeah, it's time to get started. First, remember to have your safety gloves and safety goggles.
And now the first thing we're gonna add is a little dish soap, a little squirt, and just turn to put dish soap in his. Okay, good job, Andrew. The next step is to put 4 ounces of hydrogen peroxide in with a funnel. And is everything gonna happen?
Wow, does it look cool, guys?
What's it gonna do, huh?
What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do when they come for you? Wait.
Okay.
Only a few more drops and then.
So now we're gonna add the food coloring. I'm gonna make it look like actual toothpaste. So I'm gonna add colors on the sides and put spaces in the middle, so it actually looks like it.
And I love red and blue, so I'm gonna make red and blue. Now, okay.
Okay, is that good? And now I'm gonna add the yellow.
It's coming down, guys. Whoa, amazing.
Okay, these are the cool colors that are dripping on the side. Now we're just gonna wait until they fall down all the way. And we can, and it's in the hydrogen peroxide. Then next step is to take 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of yeast. This looks so cool in the water. Now I need this thing.
Hey, I just need one more. Ready? Hey, Adam, your stir is right there. It smells like dog food.
I'm done.
It smells so bad, guys. It smells like dog poop. Okay. Oh! It's like dog.
About to do the last step, but a little safety check. Do you have your goggles, your gloves, and be sure not to touch the foam right away, okay? Because it's going to be really hot. Now we're inverted. What? And mine's like toothpaste.
Then my next one is gonna be a volcano.
It's gonna shoot up to the sky.
Whoa!
Can we watch our hands? Yeah.
so dippy. And it's so satisfying. I'm gonna keep. Whoa, my brother's is the best. I'm gonna make. Oopsies. Oh, mine is better.